Hello folks, in this video I will show you how to cut, slice and join the audio in Audacity. So if you want to cut the audio, just left click with your mouse on the desired track. Now hold it and select the desired area you want to cut. As you can see, now right click with your mouse, click on cut. As you can see, the part is being cut. Now, if you want to join one or another audio track into one single track, what you have to do is go on track, go on align tracks, and click on align end to end. Now, left click with your mouse, hold it, and select all the track you want to join. After that, again go on tracks. Now, go on mix and click on mix and render. As you can see, all the tracks have been converted into single one track. So that's it for the video. If you find this helpful, please consider a like and subscribing the channel. Thank you very much.